Top 5 waterfalls in the world. A waterfall is a place where water flows over the edge of a cliff, rock, or steep mountain and falls downward into a river, lake, or pool below. Waterfalls are among the most beautiful natural wonders in the world and are found in forests, mountains, jungles, and national parks. Waterfalls attract millions of visitors every year because of their beauty, sound, and powerful flow of water. 1. Victoria Falls. One of the largest and most powerful waterfalls on Earth, Victoria Falls is located on the Zambezi River between Zambia and Zimbabwe. Locally called the smoke that thunders, it is famous for its massive curtain of falling water and dramatic mist. 2. Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is one of the world's most famous waterfalls, attracting millions of visitors every year. It is actually made up of 3 waterfalls on the border of Canada and the United States. 3. Angel Falls. Angel Falls is the tallest uninterrupted waterfall in the world, dropping from a towering mountain in Venezuela's jungle. 4. Iguazu Falls. Iguazu Falls consists of hundreds of cascades surrounded by tropical rainforest. It is considered one of the most beautiful waterfall systems in the world. 5. Plitvice Waterfalls. These stunning waterfalls flow through crystal clear lakes inside Croatia's famous national park.